Oh, hey, we're back out in the shop. Today we've got a small project we're working on to build a directional arrow out of scraps. It's going to be all the corners that I cut off. One of the other projects that I had. Sorry about that. Anyway, I'll show you what we're doing. So we've got this is how I've got them arranged. This is the basic setup. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these pieces, glue them together, and then tack and nail them, squeeze them together and let them dry. These, I'll put these on here, glue those to it, and we'll just go on right down on through here. Trying to align these so I have the rounded edges in the same orientation, and the grain will wind up being opposing for our arrow. It gives it more of an arrow effect. This is not by any means going to be perfect when starting out. These shapes, you would think that they would come out perfect. Because I've not milled them or planed them or flattened them to do all this the way I want it. And I just didn't feel that was actually necessary. That's why I'm not doing it. Because it's dimensional lumber, there are certain factors we have to deal with. Concessions that we may have to make, as I like to say. Proving to be a little bit more difficult than I planned on. Get over here where I have a little more free space. Maybe I can do something. Okay, I have some other tools I'm going to pull together here, and this may help this out a little bit. I'm going to put this in here. Hopefully this will allow me to do what I'm planning on doing. Okay, so that's not going to work. I'm just going to help hold them together for a minute until they start to set. I think I'm going to go with my original idea and incorporate a pin nailer into this. So I'll be nailing down on these corners. we've got the sign done. It's screwed to the gate. I've got poly all the way around the edges, back, and the front. So anyway, it's secured, ready to go, and everything is good. So this is the end of the video. We guys hope that you've liked it. We also hope that you would subscribe, like, comment, and share as well. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see us do, leave a comment and let us know. We've got a lot of other projects coming up. We're getting back into the grind of getting things out on a regular basis now, so I've got a few wrinkles ironed out. Anyway, we hope that it stays nice and smooth like this for us. So anyway, you guys take care, have a good one, be kind to one another. We'll catch you next time in the shop. See you later.